Hello techies! Alright, this is lab 8.9.10 and this is Security Pro. So we have our tags here on the left pane. Let's see what we have. You work as an IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You are configuring the computer in Office 1 to use data execution prevention (DEP) for all programs and services. You have noticed that the accounting program used on some computers does not function well when DEP is enabled. So in this lab, your task is to configure DEP as follows: enable DEP for all files, disable DEP for C program file, account wizard, executive. Then we're going to restart the computer. So let us start up. So the first thing we want to do is go over here, and from the start menu we're going to open system properties, and then we go to settings, and let's see, go to data execution, and turn on DEP for all programs, and we'll go ahead and add, let's go accounts. Okay, accounts not found. Let's see. Let's scroll this up. Scroll this up. So we'll look for program file. Program file 86 times 86. Scroll down. Okay, so it's gonna be this system and program file times 86, and we look for account wizard executive. Okay, so we'll go ahead and disable this. So turn on the EP for essential, turn on the EP for programs and services except those are select. So that's add, apply. Okay, so go ahead and click OK. Then we have to restart. So go ahead and check answers. Score lab, and this is correct. Our answers are correct. So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.